Hey guys, it's time to get out dictation. If you have your dry erase board, you need to get that. If not, get a piece of paper. So you either need your dry erase board or a piece of paper so that we can do our dictation. Okay, as always, we're going to start with some sounds. Remember, whenever we do sounds, we repeat me, then we say the letter names and we write the sounds. I'm going to move this because you guys are allowed to use that chart. Okay, the first sound we want to write is the sound Z. Everybody say Z. Say the letter names and write it. Give your teacher a thumbs up when you're ready. Somebody tell us how to spell Z. That's right. Oops. Z and S. Here's the next sound. W. Everybody say W. Write it, then give your teacher a thumbs up. Somebody raise your hand and tell us how to spell W. I hope you remembered two ways. Let's see. W and WH. Which one of these do we use for question words? Somebody raise your hand and tell us which one of these ways to write W do we use for question words? That's right, WH. We had why, we had where, when. Those are all question words. I think we had what also. Okay, the next sound is ang. Everybody say ang. Say the letter names and write it. Give your teacher a thumbs up. Who can tell us how to write ang? That's right, ang is A-N-G. Now we're getting ready to write our word. When we're done writing our word, you need to mark your word, okay? So the first word is the word king. Let's tap it. K-ing. Go ahead and write it. When you're done writing it, give your teacher a thumbs up so she can call on someone to tell us how we write king. That's right, king is spelled K-I-N-G with a box around our glued sound ing. Here's the next word, long. Everybody say long. Everybody tap it out. Long. Say the letter names, write it, mark it, and give your teacher a thumbs up. Who can tell us how to spell and mark long? That's right, long is spelled A-L-O-N-G, and we're going to box the ong. Here's another word, sung. Everybody say sung. Let's tap it. Ung. Say the letter names, write it, and then mark it. Give your teacher a thumbs up when you're done. How do we spell sung? Let's see. That's right, S-U-N-G with a box around the ung. Here's a review word now. So remember how we handle suffixes. We write this base word and then we add the suffix. So we're going to say the word kicks. Everybody say kicks. We're going to tap just the base word, kick, ick. Write it, then add your suffix and mark everything. When you're done, give your teacher a thumbs up. Okay, before we check it, everybody make sure you have kicks. Okie doke, kicks is spelled K-I-C-K-S. I'm going to underline my digraph, I'm going to underline my base, and I'm going to circle my suffix. Awesome job. Now we have two trick words. We can't tap these out. We cannot sound them out. We have to say the trick word, say the letter names, and say the word when you're writing it. The first word is does. Everybody say does. Say the letter names, write it, and give your teacher a thumbs up. Let's see how we spell does. Does is spelled DOES. The next trick word is where. That sounds like a question word to me. Where? Everybody say it. Where? Say the letter names, write it, and give me a thumbs up when you're done. Let's check and see how you spelled where. W-H-E-R-E. Okay, now here's our sentence. What was that big bang? What was that big bang? And I circled the trick words. So write the sentence. What was that big bang? Say it with me. What was that big bang? After you're done writing it, mark it please, and then give your teacher a thumbs up. Okay, let's check your sentence. What was that big bang? Did you remember to underline the diagram and box our glued sound? Nice job today, friends.